This is the EJ DUROSTREET Composite frame and cover. The cover on this side is in an iron frame. This one is a composite cover in a composite frame. The main reasons you would use a composite manhole would be to fight hydrogen sulfide gas in a sewer application. That would typically be with a composite frame and cover. If you're just trying to get a signal through a cover, if it's a water meter or you're measuring something under the hole, you can use a composite cover with an iron frame. It's all heavy duty, H25, ready to go. The DUROSTREET frames that we produce range in clear open size from 22 inches to 36 inches. So this is our 38-inch cover that goes with a 36-inch clear open frame. That's generally the largest composite frame and cover set that we have. We have some DUROSTREET covers that are larger than that. They're intended to go in iron frames at this point.